Well, I have a large variety of topics because I've been dealing with this future studies issues now for more than 25, 30 years. And I have come across unlimited number, I would say, different projects, situations, events, research, investigations that tells about what might happen in the future in terms of technology, in terms of sustainability, in terms of food, in terms of culture, in terms of cities and so forth. My real mission here is actually to bring these various aspects of future together, to make a linkages between different developments, because I very strongly believe that only through seeing the whole you can understand what each of the part might be actually doing in the future. So in order to understand the specifics, you need to understand the whole.